Everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a 7D floating head shaver. This is sweet. I don't shave my head, I shave my beard, but I'll show you guys what this is so you guys can do it. So let's go ahead and open this up and I'll show you everything it comes with. It comes with some instructions here on how to do it. And then it comes with a nicely packaged little setup here with a little plastic on top. It's kind of cute. Let me move my stuff here so I can do it. So in here, oops, this was in a bag, but here we go. This is the device here, and this is how it works. I think it should magnetize on. Yes, it magnetizes on, and you can see it's got all those little rotors there. If I push the button on it there, you can see they're moving. And then I flip it on there, and now all these are moving. And I could shave my face with it like that. And let me just turn it off for a second. Let me shave my finger, but you can see it's really flexible here. Each one of these heads moves individually, but yet they are kind of all stuck together as well. So that's kind of cool. So in here as well, we have some other little devices here. So we could, show you here. Sorry, I'm just opening up the package here. In here, it looks like the head comes off. So then we have this device here. We can put in a nose hair picker thingy, this one here. So that'll be your nose hair or ear hair or something like that. So it'll work for that. It also has some of these things here. I guess this is just like a little massager. Yes, oh, I pushed it off. But this one here is like a little rubber massager here. We have a whole lot of different pieces and parts here. Here we have just a trimmer. This is what I use. Something similar to this. Oops, I probably want to face it this way. Like that. And you could do like your sideburns or something like that with those. We have a charging cable. So that'll charge from USB to USB-C. We got a couple of different combs here. So then if I use that piece that I just had here, I could do it at different lengths. So if I'm doing like a beard trim, I'll show you here. Oh, there you go, all kind of stuff together. So if I wanted my beard to be that length, I could put that comb on it, right? So then it'll always be long. There we go. So it's got 3 of those lengths of that. Let me just put that back here. Okay. And then we have 2 more little brushing massager things here. Looks like, or no, just one. Oh, if you've seen those ones that those ladies have where they have those big fuzzy brushes where they do their face with it, that's kind of like what this is here. I guess this is going to be a little spinning brush. There we go. It's a little spin brush. So if you needed one of those, so that's just really sweet. So it's got all these different things here. It looks like on here, you can see when I push the button, it says it's at 100% now. And it's got 3, 2. If you hold it down, I think it's the different speeds or something like that. So let you do that. And then there was a lot of stuff looking on there. It was kind of all the different random stuff, but how cool. Really nice. So I like it. So really cool little device and nice and convenient. Thumbs up for sure.